I spend my entire workday in Webex. It's a full-featured communication platform with lots of options. And many times I find that messaging is just not enough because I have a lot to discuss. And I think, well, what about a meeting? Oh, I don't have one scheduled. But calling? Calling? It's just what I need. It's impromptu. It's immediate. The point is there are many ways to communicate, but never forget you are in control with Webex. In fact, they've added a few new controls that you should be aware of. If we go into preferences, notifications, calling, you can now choose for notifications to be muted only when you're in a meeting or a call, which is my preference. So you can set what happens to inbound calls when you're in that meeting. So you want them to get a busy signal. You want them to go to voicemail. It's in your control. Oh, something I didn't even realize until just recently, music mode and that magical background noise removal feature that's been added to meetings. Well, both of these things work the same way in your calls as well. And finally, as you know, call history is found underneath this phone section. Just right-click on any of these and you can see clear callback options, audio or video, and you can even clean up your call history. Now, I know that you love meetings as much as I do. I mean, who wouldn't? Just don't forget that Webex can make all of your communication smoother. It's your productivity. It's up to you to personalize it.
Like we do it, like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.